Lily and Tracy had $128 all together, and Lily spent half of her money and on a dress, and while Tracy spent 2/5 of her money on a skirt. Alright, so the skirt cost $8 more than the dress. Okay, normally when we see these two fractions and two numbers, the concept is simultaneous. I will show you why later. So in the question, they want you to find how much money did Lily have at first. Okay, normally I will only say part A first because I don't want you to get confused when I also say part B, and probably you may be thinking that I'm finding part A and part B together. Okay, so follow the sequence of the question. If there are two parts to the question, do A first. Yeah, don't worry about part B, even if it's a bit it may seem a bit like scary or confusing. Okay, so normally when we see two fraction and two numbers, it's simultaneous. So I will draw, since Lily got her money split into two parts, and then so we have 2L and 1L is spent on dress. Okay, then for Tracy, one is 5T and then 2T spent on skirts. Okay, so 5T plus 2L equals to 128. This is simple, yeah. So we have 2L plus 5T equals to 128. Okay, in all my working, okay. Yeah, so okay, next number. Okay, since the skirt costs more because it's $8 more, so we have 2T minus 1L is $8. Yeah, okay. Right now, we have a plus, we have a minus, and this is where you have to really listen closely to me. Okay, it's easy to draw 2L plus 5T. Yeah, I mean, plus is easy to draw. It's like this and this, so you draw two blocks sticking to each other. Yeah, now, but because now you have 2L, 5T and 2T and 1L, it's quite hard to work with minus, so we will stick to the 2T first. And here is 2T and here is 5T. So what is the first common multiple of 5 and 2 is 10, right? So the first row will be times 2 times 2 times 2. So you have 4L plus 10T equals to 256. And why we times 2 is because we want to make T the same. And here, to make T the same, we have times 5 times 5 times 5. So we have 10T minus 5L equals to 40. Okay, this is done. Yeah. So all you need to do now is to look at the equation 1 and 2 first. Okay, again, like what I've said previously, it's easy to draw 10T plus 4L is 256. It's simple. It's N means you just draw two boxes together. But now, the next thing is what happens when you do have a minus. Okay, since this is 10T and 10T, we will draw together, yeah, which makes it easier for us to see. But 10T is so long that you have to really subtract 4L, means to go backwards by 4L to have a value of 4T. Okay, let me repeat. You have 10T and it goes back by 5L because it's minus then equals to 40, $40. Yeah. So can you see that if you draw a line here from here to here, you can see it's 5L plus 4L, it's 9L, and it's actually a value of 256 minus of 40 is 216. Yeah, then again, next step is always to find the value of 1L, and to find Lily at first you have 2L, so you find 1L, then you times 2, and then it's 48. Yeah, so the answer is $48 for B. So in this step, the crucial part is this minus part. Okay, always make the positive part the same because it's easier to do, and always start off from drawing the plus because again is this and that. Yeah, the minus part, not to worry, just go backward by whatever they want. Okay, yeah, treat it as like a value, so you go backward by 5L since here is minus 5L. So now, how much money did Tracy have at first? It will be 5T. Yeah, so again we will pick the plus equation. Yeah, equation 1. We have 2L, and 5T. And 5T we need to find. 2L is already found from part A. So total is 128 from here. And then you just take 5T equals to 128 minus of 48 equals to $80. Yeah, so that's it. And this concept is under simultaneous.